Hi guys, it's Alyssa. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about what today's managers are expected to do. The first step to look at is manage individual and team performances. They do this by motivating their employees to talk about ways to change, improve, and better themselves and the company. They also provide performance feedback on jobs that they have previously performed for the company, ways that they've improved or hindered the process. They also monitor training, make sure that employees are receiving the correct training for their correct jobs, as well as individual and team goals are aligned with the company goals that are provided in mission statements and other company information. Next, they have to develop employees and encourage learning. They do this by explaining work assignments in more in-depth and explained ways, making sure that employees are aware of what is expected of them. Providing technical expertise. Managers are managers for a reason. They have more experience, more know-how about jobs, so they're there as a resource for their employees as well. Positive learning environments are always a must for work. You have to feel comfortable and secure in where you're learning to make sure that the transfer of learning is the most successful. Next, we'll look at coordinate activities and teams. Managers are responsible to encourage products and resources to be provided to the group. That means if the group needs specific products or resources to accomplish their goals, the managers are making sure that they have those items, such as a conference room or a computer or any of those items that are necessary for a goal to be achieved. Next, they have to understand goals and plans of other units. If a manager is working with their group or team to make sure a goal is achieved, they have other support teams as well that need to be included in the plans and goals of the unit and make sure that the company is functioning well with the individual teams and other units coming together to create one whole company. Next, we'll look at managing group performance. They do this by defining areas of responsibility, making sure all known tasks have been divided up in ways that are fair and equal to the employees' skills and mindsets. They also have to meet with other managers on a regular basis, making sure that plans and goals are going according to the process and making sure that other managers are setting the same standards for their team as the manager with their team. Implement a business strategy, making sure that employees are there to support the business strategy of the company and the ideals the manager has put in place. Facilitate decision-making processes, making sure that the team and individual are making decisions according to the way the company wants to function as a whole, and making sure that the decisions happen timely and effective manner and dealing with any conflict that may arise with the team. This could be a difference in scheduling, a difference in availability, or just a different skill set between each employee, what each employee knows and can put forth to the team. Creating and maintaining trust is one of the big ones, ensuring employees are responsible for their workload and customers and placing that trust in employees to get their work done in an effective manner. Managers must also have respect for their employees. Managers are a resource for their employees and not just a boss. There should be a certain level of respect to every encounter. Listen and respond to ideas honestly. If it's a bad idea, a manager has to be able to step up and turn it around and turn it into something that's better and more helpful for the company. Represent the work unit. Relationships with other managers are crucial, making sure that every manager is on board with the team ideals and the project at hand. Communicate needs, anything that needs to get done, any projects that may be behind, making sure that everybody's up to speed on what needs to be accomplished, and provide any information, background that needs to be provided in the project for employees to accomplish the goals. And that's all I have for you guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day.